Thursday, we're going down to Bradenton to do a little testing tuning, and then Friday some more testing tuning, and then we have a Grudge race with old Swanstrom at, I believe, 9 o'clock at night tomorrow. And then see how that goes. Should be a gap. But then we have our shootout. It's Battle in the Bay once a year. It's like the biggest Grudge last radial race of the year at Bradenton for the most part. And we are racing the Invitational. They have 3 classes, 28, 29 no time. Sort of the stock block. They separated all the stock block people like LS and stuff in a different class this year. So they're not in the Invitational class with us, but there's 32 of us in the Invitational. So I think it's like a $4,000 payout. Maybe we'll get lucky, go some rounds. That's about it though.
What you got there?
Oh, this right here? This is $250 worth of...
Come on, more.
Oh, this right here?
No,
oh.
those.
Racetrack pizza. You know that's key to going fast in a racetrack.
This right here is not cool, dude. This is not cool.
Anybody wants to know.
Thanks a lot, Joe.
Thanks a lot, Joe. You a hoe. man. Hey, bro. God damn. Hey. I was fucking riding. Hey, look. So I saw him next to me, and I was like, oh, he gone. That's fun. Damn. I felt that. Oh, I'm sorry. My light came on, but I don't know. And then I was like, fuck. So I drive this, so I get stuck behind a fucking trailer. Yeah. It took me like 10 minutes to get back here. And then
switch on now because this is getting too fucking hot. I can't.
What, a motor? Yeah. Why? How come?
Well, I ain't got no little water or nothing in it. It's just
not even nothing in it.
It's all solid.
The head's rock solid.
Solid. So it's fucking, like right now, it's still fucking 162 degrees. You can't fucking rub
You don't spill rubber water.
You want to see this?
What's going on?
Oh, I need two hands. Show them the trailer. All sorts of fucking 20s in this thing. Boy, about 2 grand.
Show them the tried.
No, just kidding.
Show them the tried and layers, dude.
Oh, right here.
Tried and layers, dude.
There, you see them?
Nice see you, now you don't. Now that you guys can see, I guess.
I feel like I destroyed it.
Right. Here's Spence car and
Go get this goddamn money, boy. You'll see in the video we put a Chris put an ice cream truck on them, and we put 2 of the nice big gray, what are those things called? Help me out here, a Greyhound bus. No, it is what it is. He tried pulling a sneaky one. Justin's a little fucker. I kind of should have figured he would have did that, but it was all fun running. Good content for the channels and fun shit. So we'll probably line him up again soon and figure it out. But he's working the bugs out. We're working the bugs out. It was good racing. So he threw Jason Wells in the car. Jason Wells weighs like 150 pounds. Little sneaky bastard, but it's all fun. That's what we came here to do, is race and have fun. So
we got this one
stay
tomorrow.
tuned, and we get the old dogfish tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. It's dogfish
tomorrow, boy. That's the next one going down.
Put the